Of course you heard of the phrase, you get what you pay for, but for me, growing up in a food insecure home, that phrase is exclusive of a whole population that can't pay. When it comes to food, shouldn't it be the norm to get food that's free from pesticide and hormones? For me, I think it's a human right. I think everyone should have access to high quality food and ingredients, and they should be able to afford it. And the great thing is, Creator Burger here, they're doing exactly that. They're creating extremely fresh, high quality ingredients, and they're only charging $6 for it. Let's go check them out. What's up everybody, this is Chef 2. I'm here at Creator Burger here in Daly City in the San Francisco Bay Area, and today we're gonna try a robot-made burger. All right everybody, we're here at Creator. I'm here with the founder, the inventor of this robot burger machine. Alex, could you tell us a little bit about your machine and why you invented it?
It started with growing up in my parents' burger restaurant. My mom, I mean, her entire life, pretty much, since immigrating from Iran, flip burgers, right? You gotta imagine, like, one of the most motivating, driving things in your life is watching someone you love sweat away behind a griddle or, you know, do any kind of really difficult task like that. Yeah. And it's my mom, it's my dad, it's a lot of people I love. We got, you know, really close to everyone who worked at the restaurant. And I went up to school and I started seeing all these amazing pieces of equipment they were using. And then I go back to the restaurant and I'm grabbing a spatula. And I realized, man, there's got to be some in between here, right? There's got to be some way where we can use the power of technology to make life a lot easier for people working a really difficult job.
I love that, because your mom was a civil engineer and you're thinking forward, you're thinking science, you're thinking physics are ways to make things better. The same way she probably built bridges to make transportation and getting from point A to point B easier. Yeah. You're thinking that with food. So I love how your mom's spirit, more than anything, is what's living in you as a kid to bring this into fruition, eventually a robot.
That's right, yeah. She knew, like she had that experience. Like you said, she literally built bridges, and she knew there was, you know, there had to have been a better way. So yeah, here it is.
Creator Burger's got me sold on their $6 super fresh, organic, high quality burger. But don't take my word for it. I invited my homie Darion of the legendary Bay Area Foods to come check it out and give us a burger review. Come check us out.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. $6? This is $6? This? Alright, so look, this is so out of pocket because it looks extremely plain, like ain't nothing happening, there's nothing going on. Do not judge a book by its cover. As soon as you open it, it's like, it's drip. Oh, look, that's the sauce. I gotta turn it around and get it from the back. Oh my God. This is the creator versus the world. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the creator versus the world. This is what we got going on. Really nice and heavy. This is like the modern world San Francisco Mondo burger. It's really, really heavy right now. I'm gonna pick him up. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm not being stingy over here. This is cheaper than the Big Mac and bigger than the Big Mac. This is, come on now. Guys, a 2-for-2 right now. Creator versus the world. The world is yours. The world is yours. Come on, man. They not playing no games over here. We want to see if we're gonna go out with a blast. All right. My credit score just went up. Straight gas. This is gas. And that's why I called the Gastronaut. This is gas. Fire. Out of this world. This is a hit. The cheddar though. This is. It just oozed but it hopped on a pallet and just went like this. It just did that. As soon as I took the bite, it just did this. Oh, bro. Give me one more bite. All my money gonna go straight over here to Creator Burger because it's just, oh my God, I'm loving it, man. This is like this is by far the top burgers in the Bay Area, man. And I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna put it out there. For the quality you get, for the price you getting it for, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. Like, man, I got my money on the line. If anybody want to take a bet on that, whose burger's gonna be better than these, run it through. We in here.
I appreciate this approach. Creator's Burger Making Bot allows a lot of my fans to try the food that I created, specifically my Tumami Burger. Make sure you check it out. I think the most important thing is that they offer high quality ingredients, a fresh made burger that's actually worth 20 bucks. They only sell it for $6. You know what that's called? I call that economic inclusion. They're being inclusive. They're allowing both poor, rich, and middle class people to afford high quality burgers, high quality food. Come check them out.